To prove the validity of this study, let us conduct a live dissection of your mind, right here, in this moment. I am going to ask you to perform a task that sounds deceptively simple. I want you to stop thinking entirely for 10 seconds, starting now. You couldn't do it, could you? Within a matter of seconds, an internal voice stepped in to fill the void. It likely said, "This is difficult," or "When is the 10 seconds over?" If that voice were truly you would possess total, absolute sovereignty over it. You can control the voluntary movement of your limbs. You can control the depth and pace of your breathing, but you cannot stop the voice. Why? Because the voice is an autonomic response, no different from your heartbeat or your digestive process. It is a programmed reaction to your environment. By the mid-20th century, research into private speech demonstrated that we use this voice as a coaching mechanism to solve problems. But we have entered a predatory era of human history. In 2026, we are being coached by entities that do not have our biological or financial best interests at heart. We are living in the age of synthetic thought. Modern attention engineers do not want you to simply purchase a product. They want to become the voice inside your head that convinces you that you are incomplete without it. So how do we execute the delete command? How do we return to a state of original, unpolluted thought? It begins with a protocol I call the observer. The very next time you hear a self-critical, impulsive, or fear-based thought, you must force a mental halt. You must treat that thought not as a fact, but as a specimen in a glass jar. You must ask one forensic, cold-blooded question. Who said that? Shiver? If the thought is, "I am not working hard enough," look at the data. Is that your biological need for survival and growth speaking? Or is that the echo of a high-performance, burnout-obsessed culture that you have been inhaling through your screen for years? When you successfully identify the external source of an internal voice, a profound shift occurs in your brain.